TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. 1 p.m. Eastern time on Wednesday. 3 hours left to go in the trading day. We got markets in higher territory. NASDAQ up an even 1% or 79 points, trading at 8,027. We have the Dow up 279 points, so that's a 1.1% gain at 26,242. S&P's up about 9/10 in the positive, trading at trading up 25 points at 29.25. And the Russell up 0.8% as well, up 11 points, trading at 1509. We'll start things off with a 1 o'clock update. Take a look at the VIX. As you'd expect, lower prices than yesterday, 1586 on that volatility index. Jumping over to the indices, we'll pull it up. Start things off with the S&P 500. It's been a higher trading day in the early session, and then we've kind of just been hanging out at some of these levels across the board. S&P is trading at 29.26. Highs of the session only about a few points higher, not even in the S&Ps. NASDAQ 100, pretty similar story. We reach a high just after the opening bell of 77.65. You're about 20 points off that level at 77.46. Dow 30, 26,234, had been as high as 26,263. So you're only talking about 30 or so Dow points. The Dow itself had been up 300 points at one point, now up about 279. Crude oil, we got the EIA this morning. You had a 2+ million barrel draw. The expectation was for about 1.5 to 1.9. That should mean a little bit higher prices, but crude on that news, there's your 1030 volatility from 56.83. We're now under $56 at 55.92. There's your gold contract trading a bit higher from the morning session. Early, 4 a.m. trading at 15.06. We're up almost $10 from that level, trading 15.68. And the euro US dollar trading 1.1101. In terms of what else you have happening across the market, it is still earnings season. Lowe's, quite a number that they came out with early this morning. Is that last night? I think it might be. It's 6 a.m. this morning. That's what I thought. They come out with their earnings. Lowe's spikes to 110.89, trading at 107.64, up almost an even 10%. And you'd think that was the giant, but how about Target? Almost doubling that. Target up 19.26%, trading at 102 on their gangbuster earnings as well. Stay tuned, folks. We're going to man Steve Rhodes coming up right now with the Trader's Edge. Dave White live at 2 o'clock with a power trading hour. Then we got a treat. Basil Chapman at 3, Steve Rhodes at 4, and a Basil Chapman webinar on the front page of TFNN at 5. Stay tuned, folks.